Hello and welcome to Meadow Bakery. In this video, I'm going to show you a very simple biscuit recipe that just needs 3 ingredients. Before we get started, head over to my website, meadowbakery.com. Sign up if you haven't already done so, and then close the page. Go to the courses website where you'll find a list of courses available to buy on my website. When you find the one that you like, you just click on it and you'll be taken to a sales page where there'll be a video telling you more about the course, and there'll be a bit more information down the page about what's involved in the course, and then you click buy and follow the buying process. So you start off in a bowl with some butter and sugar. Okay, so this recipe is called 1 2 3. 1 for the sugar, 2 butters, and the third one will be sugar. It's a ratio. So I'm just going to mix the butter and the sugar together first. I've got very soft butter in here, which I'm going to mix with the sugar. Okay. The butter and the sugar are nicely mixed and creamy. This is a creamy consistency. This is enough, but I like to add some vanilla extract. So I'm just going to add about a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix this in. The vanilla extract is completely optional, you can leave it out. And then finally I'm going to add some flour. I use plain flour, but if you want your biscuits to be a bit more fluffy, you can use self-raising flour, but I recommend plain flour. At this stage, you can now use your hands to mold the dough, but I'm not doing that because there's an extra thing that I add to my biscuits. You do not have to do this at all, but I like to. It adds the color. I'm going to add some sprinkles, just an eye measurement of sprinkles. I'm going to put them all in there and then mix them. Now it's time for me to put my spatula aside. You can use a spatula or a wooden spoon. And then I use my hands to knead it into a ball. So that's my biscuit dough ready. And now I'm going to weigh it and then divide by the amount of biscuits I want to make. Weighed my dough and it's 316 grams. So I'm going to make 10 biscuits because about 30 grams is a good size for a biscuit. But if you want smaller ones or bigger ones, it's up to you. Okay, so I've weighed each piece of dough and I just shape them like this. Squish it together first and then roll it to have a good shape. If this happens, just scrunch it back together like that, and then roll it until it's nice and smooth. Now it's going to go on the cookie tray with the others. Once they're all on the tray, one other thing I like to do is to press them down with a fork. So just get a fork and press them down like that. And finally that one. So now they're going to go in the oven. So I'm just going to put them in the oven at 150 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, the biscuits are ready. You can see they're slightly golden brown underneath. So you leave them on the tray before you remove them, because if you try to remove them while they're hot, they will break. So I've left mine on the tray for about 5 to 10 minutes. So you remove them and then put them on a cooling rack to cool completely. That's it. Thanks for watching, and see you again soon. For more videos like this, visit my website www.meadowbrownbakery.com. Please like and subscribe to my channel.